If you mark my word, today's date, right? Even $50, I'm not saying that. He will end up paying more.
Because if you are an MPP person, please and please listen to me. I'm begging you. I know we have our internal differences. I know some of us are not happy with Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I know we have our issues. We believe that he played a part in our election laws and all those things. We think that he helped some people to even win elections against our own people, our own MPs in some places. That notwithstanding, no matter what you have in your heart against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong as an MPP member, let's not allow NDC to use him as a scapegoat. No matter, I repeat, no matter what you might hold against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, let us not make the mistake of allowing him to be singled out by and be prosecuted or being brought, his hard-earned reputation be brought into dispute through this very case that they are trying to meander their way through. Let us not do that. We have our internal differences. When it comes to the time for us to select who is going to be our flag bearer, we will make our voices heard loudly and clearly. But for now, we should not let one of our own become a scapegoat for NDC, for John Mohammed's administration. So please, let us not rejoice over these legal battles that Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is involved in. Mami says very sad.
One, courtroom or Nankasa. They want everybody not to video. You can take pictures, but you cannot video. Anas has video without even what video judge in the movie. That is another case. Well, yeah, lawyers, they are not going to say anything. I'm telling you, sir, this is it's far more than what we are doing right now. He's making Ghanaians say, they say, no, Kennedy Agyapong between $18 million. If you mark my word, today's date, right? Even $50, I'm not saying that. He will end up paying more. Mark my word, I'm telling you. That Obianwa Ruby, I don't know why he like to do this.
No, Wofa Jerry, I also knew about Kakra Wofa Jerry. Wofa Jerry. Lawyer Ochedako say, Oma filing motion for mistrial. Motion no, and not a train date no. What I say? And you no number and panel new jury no. If the court approves of the motion,
and then again,
but Nina is subject to the court's approval of the motion for mistrial. And mistrial next say there's a jury way and achia. Enti new jury.
Thank you.
Not new jury no emra, but here to answer.
Okay.
You a civil procedure rules the mono. Say I was said judge for ejitum say judge we say no or jitum say ane jury way I a mistake because lawyer Chedako argument to making it say judge name my jury instructions. Jury no bro instructions no so enti enunti and I'm filing motion for mistrial. But the judge has to agree first before new jury panel ebebem. So we agree. Not just an award of 18 million and no better hope. And don't be emotional about it. This is court.
The judge, jury, even as we're speaking right now, no, Ken has never even shown anyone evidence. Yeah, lawyers not allowed way announced to flow to tell his story because on the case not the court yet. It allow him to flow and end. And right there, no, on last week, Friday, I'm not sitting there and pretending like crying. They threatened to kill me. They killed one of my guys. And that was Abrofu. Anas was crying. Afia was there. Abrofu is very emotional. They got that feeling, they got that touch. And I'm saying, okay, say this and say during him Emma order say during but there some you should not look at the emotional part, but look at the exact problem. No namu found results from Remy. Look everything. Next month, it's in adum. Now say next month you rule assembly we. Now say anas even 50 cents to cry now. If I won't come to this show anymore, he will never penny kobo. He will end up paying. Mark my word, because of the judge now we're recording about video. All this that is going on. Agyapong wasn't fighting for himself. He was fighting for his party.
That's how you say US the inform. American inform say he was fighting for his party. Friends are not the other court and he say what go me who fi. They do fighting for a party and form and for judge no.
I'm not saying about America. Right now, no statement ni. I'm talking about Ghanaians now. They are jubilating. Sir, and I tell you, there's a lot of them, including a lot of MPP who are happy.
They are happy about the same way.
Some way, I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat it. But you know what? God is the judge. And another Cambrofubi, the battle is the Lord. The law start working now. You better understand how America. This is not Ghana.
Ghana it's just much as America alone in here.
Or Ghana or the Max is sending him. Was he able to put Max here?
Mask and anything in our union.
Before yes, I don't know. His passport was captured. Okay? Yeah, man, fact, silicon metal wedding on now we all know who are nurses.
Thank you, mommy. Let us not, as a party, as patriot, be happy about the legal battles of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. We have to support him using our social media accounts, whether you belong to Baumia camp, Alan camp, Boache Jako camp, Kennedy camp. This is a that we don't turn our back on our own. We don't, and we shouldn't. See, if we make the mistake of allowing Kennedy Agyapong alone to go through these battles, and even if he loses, it will affect our electoral fortunes in 2028. I'm telling you. Because NDC is going to use it as a major ground to campaign. If we allow Kennedy Agyapong to be dragged into this Ahmed Swale thing, as they have already started doing, it will affect our electoral fortunes. They will start calling us a party of murderers. And you know how the NDC is able to calculate some of this propaganda and sell it to our people. Let's not be happy about the things happening to Kennedy Agyapong. Nana said that great advice, bro. Mami says that I don't understand why our brothers and sisters would rejoice. Good evening, Queen. Okay? Let us not rejoice over that. This is a time to show strength and unity. Let me give you a typical example. In the Bible, something happened when the Pharisees